Hi, we are working on lesson 5.6, Estimating Percents, by Esther, Brett, and Disha. This is our first problem. Marcus has $370 in his wallet. He puts 45% of his money into his bank account. Marcus wants to buy a couch for his living room with the amount left. About how much is left to buy the couch? Okay, first you have to take the percent and round it to the closest common fraction. Then you take the total amount that Marcus has and do the of method. The of method is when you take the total amount and put the of in the middle and put the fraction on the right side. Then you divide on the bottom and take the answer and multiply it on the top. Then you take the total number from the problem and subtract it from the answer from the method. That's how you get your answer. Okay, this is our second problem. Luke has $150 in his savings account. He puts 50% of his savings in a college fund account. John wants to buy a drum set with the amount left. About how much does Luke have to buy a drum? So first you take the 50% in the problem and convert it to 1/2. Then you take the $150 and do the of method again. And 1/2 of 150 is 75. Then you take 150 and subtract it with 75, and that equals 75. That's how much he saved.
This is example 2 of 5.6 estimating percents. What is the best estimate of 36% of 225? Here's how you do the problem. Since this is not a whole number and it's a percent, you have to times it by 100 and then divide it by 100 again, which then you get 0.36. And then from doing this, you get 81. $72 times 0.69%. This turns into a decimal by that timesing by 100, and then it's 0.69. And after this, the answer is 49.7. All you have to do for these problems, it's pretty simple, but all you have to do is just multiply it and turn this into a decimal.